I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the order of the cards that are in your Apple Wallet on your iPhone. First, we're going to open up our Apple Wallet. And as you can see, I've got a few different cards here. Now, in order to change the order, let's say we wanted to have this Capital One card at the top. I'm going to tap and hold on the Capital One card and just drag it all the way to the top. And now that is the new order of my cards. You can do that with all of them, have them in a particular order, whichever order suits you the best. Now, as you can see, when I dragged these cards, the card that I moved up was my default card. And you can tell because it's saying Apple Cash is now your default card. This card will automatically be selected when you use Apple Pay. So if you want to have cards at the top when you open your actual wallet app, you can drag them up, but your default card is going to be the one on the very bottom. So if you want a new card to be your default, you're going to tap and hold, you'll drag it all the way to the bottom, and now that is my default card. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.